Muber, Uber clone solution for taxi rides. This solution covers for your daily rides, scheduled rides, pool pool rides, and multiple kind of vehicles. And you can even use it for hourly and rentals as well. So this is the front end which you are greeted with when you open up the site. It's a clean, classic, modern, trendy design where you can see you have the option to be a rider or driver, or you can be a fleet owner, and it's actually jam packed. So we are just going page by page to just give you an idea actually how the web interface looks like. So you can simply see, because the point is this is supposed to be a ride sharing service. It's not supposed to be a consent sign, so we make it very precise and very accurate. So without wasting any further time, we are going to go into the admin panel. Now, don't worry about the manual dispatches because it's there. Heat map is there. Peak time search pricing is there. I'm going to show you all. So you can see this is the dashboard. You can see the complete features with calendar dates and sales graph and the number of rides taken and what has been the status. Now you can control the admins, and you can have multiple admins at different levels and staffs and everything. You can manage companies, the fleets. You can have multiple fleets in here, and you can have multiple drivers under them. You can manage your drivers. You can manage your riders. You can define the documents needed, and this can be defined as for countries, because remember this solution is a multi-language, multi-country and multi-currency solution. So you can just build this solution and run the services in multiple countries. You can send push notifications or SMSs using the send message. You can send emails. You can manage all the manual booking dispatch system. You can do it for anyone. Then this is the vehicle control. You can define the vehicle makes and vehicle models, and you can then define the vehicle types. So we have just one type created for our demo purposes, but you can have multiple vehicles, and the vehicle types can be like pool, prime, mini, macro. You can have bike rides. You can have what you feel like. Then these are the reasons, actually the reasons for charging extra fees, additional resource fees actually. Then the cancellation reasons, if someone is canceling the trip. Then you have managed locations. You can geofence, and you can create as you prefer. Like for India, we'll show you how we actually geofenced it. Now, once you create a geolocation, you can manage the fares for that particular location for different vehicle types. The same way we have done it here. And when it comes to creating that, you can see there are a ton of options inside for you to configure and define. You can see everything is in there. Now, you can manage all your trips and the ratings, and you can have the complete, and you have the payouts. You can make payouts to companies. You can make payouts to individual drivers as well. And you can manage the amount, like how much dues can be kept. So you can see how much is the remaining amount, how much money they owe to pay us. So this is quite requested feature by a lot of people. Now the API credentials are there, payment gateways. We have PayPal, Stripe, Braintree, and we can add payment gateways as per your need, which will cost extra definitely. Then you have your wallet controls. You have your referral system, your heat maps. You can manage your countries. You can manage your SEOs from here, your currency, your language, your static pages control. You can manage your help section, and that's it. But that's not it, because there are a ton of features for you to configure out, and this system works absolutely brilliant. There are no errors at all. We are just going to put up a demo for the Android apps, and there are iOS apps as well, but we are just demoing Android apps for you right now, so you can check and understand how powerful the system is. Do watch our Android video just after this. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. MiraCubes welcomes you with heart. This is a detailed explanation video of our Muber apps in action. This is the perfect Uber clone solution with all the features you are possibly looking forward to. Let us get started. This device and this device, these two are the user devices, and this one with the black app icon is the provider device. So we are going to start logging in all the devices with our demo credentials. And this is the provider app. So you can see like, we have signed in, and this is the profile. You can look, have a look at the interface. On the menu you have the payment, you have trips, you can use the wallet, you can use multiple payment systems, you can see the ride history, you can see the entire payment structure and everything. So there's a lot of things inside, and this is like the heat up and referral system, pay to the driver control system, managing vehicles. You can manage your vehicles in real time from here. You can set it up for serving the different purposes. So now, without wasting further time, we are gonna just go for a ride. So we are just gonna do a single one-on-one drive. So we are gonna go to airport. So you can see it fetches the car details. But since we were not online in the system, so it didn't showed up. So here it is. So we are on request a prime. It shows us the price, just like the Uber style. And we're gonna request a prime. You can see this is the COVID safety instruction. Now you can chat. There's chat. You can make VoIP calls. The VoIP call is working without disclosing the numbers. Hello. Hello. So you can see it's working pretty fine. There is no issues with the same. So now we're going to proceed with the trip. There is the notification on the end. Now we're going to begin the trip. To begin the trip, you need the OTP from the user. The trip has started. There is navigate using Google Maps and Waze Maps. We're going to end the trip. If there are any extra charges involved, like maybe a parking fees or some tolls, you can add it up here. So we're going to add up, and we're going to make it toll. So you can see it gives you the entire detail for the other fees and what the other fees was for. And once the cash is collected, the trip is complete and you're good to go again. Now we are going to do a pool ride for you. So we are going to go to airport again. I'm going to order a pool. Don't worry about the pricing, we were just doing random things around. So the pool has 4 seats which we defined in here. So we're going to take up just one seat. So this is being done. In the other while, someone else from some place decides to actually take up a pool. So here we are going to take up a pool again, and we are also going to airport. And you can see no other rides are available because since we have enabled only one provider, so there is the pool option there. We are going to confirm the seats. We're going to take up 2 and we're going to proceed with the same. And you can see 2 persons. So you can see like it's the most perfect solution which works in the market with the pooling system in such an accuracy. So we're going to arrive and we're going to begin the trip, and it's asking for the OTP. The first user is done. Now the time for the second user. So you can see it's pretty fair, pretty well designed, and works perfect. There are no issues with the app at all. And moreover, the web panel and the website, the front end is very intuitive and designed very well. So why waiting? You can always oh, we just forgot to mention that there's schedule a ride option is also there. So come on, try it out and decide if this is the best solution you can possibly get for a Uber clone. Thank you so very much for watching.